Want to know how I grew my Facebook following to over 70,000 followers without the use of any ads? Then keep watching. So back in 2003, my husband and I started a CMOS company before I started Social Introvert. Although both of us had an equal share in the business, he wanted me to spearhead it because he had so much things going on. So being a new company with a new product, I needed to know two things. I needed to know who we were going to sell this product to and how we were going to get people to trust us. So here is what I did. So the first thing I did was product research. I needed to get as much information as possible about CMOS. I needed to know what was in it, how it's taken, what is it used for, and if it had any possible side effects. Let me just say, the benefits of CMOS is absolutely amazing. You should probably check it out. So after finding out all of the information that I needed about CMOS, I decided now to test the product. The energy that I felt from CMOS was absolutely amazing, and it did wonders on my skin. At first, I honestly thought it was placebo. But when my husband started taking it and we noticed the changes with his energy level and also his skin, then we started to realize that this stuff was actually working. What made me so excited about CMOS was the fact that it actually did exactly what the research information said it would. So now at this point, I became an advocate for CMOS and I started telling everyone about it. Family, friends, coworkers, dogs. Okay, just joking, not dogs. But everyone. And so now, with me being excited about CMOS and telling everyone else about it, they too became excited. And I started to realize that there was a market for it. And so I went a little bit deeper into doing market research. So within doing market research, I really needed to look to see who would be interested in this product. So after doing hours of research, I found persons who were sick of feeling arthritis pain, who were having problems with their skin, and who also wanted more energy, was looking for help. And these ones, their age ranged from 30 to 55. But here's the thing, they were mostly women. So now I found my target audience. It was women who were more health conscious and wanted a natural way to care for their health. So now that I had my product and my service, I just needed to know exactly where they spend most of their time. So because my audience were women who age ranged from 30 to 55, I decided to go to Facebook. So I created my Facebook account. Now, if you have learned 2 new things so far, go ahead and subscribe. I'll give you some time. Okay, back to the video. So after uploading our photo, changing our name, and also writing a compelling bio, it was time to look for content. So creating content was a little bit tricky because in all honesty, no one knew who I was. And secondly, I didn't feel comfortable being on camera as yet. And deep down inside, I felt as if people really needed to see results. So I started looking for content that would show the benefits of CMOS, but from a trusted source. So after hours upon hours, I finally found the perfect video. So I tweaked it a little bit, wrote up a beautiful caption, and then posted it. So after a few days went past, I noticed that the views were going up, comments were coming in, and persons were really commenting and asking where they can find this product. Honestly, I was so excited because finally we were starting to get recognition for such an amazing product. And it only happened because of the 3 steps that I took. So for you, you can do the exact same thing. First, think about the product or service that you would like to offer. Next, you want to try it yourself. See if it really works. If you do that, then you will know exactly how to market your product or service and you will become a huge advocate for it. Then next, do your market research. See who would be interested in your product or service. Also look for their pain point and see how you can become the solution to their problem. And then when you find your audience, look to see exactly where they hang out. Once you found where they hang out, then it's time to create your social. So you want to create content that would speak to your audience, addressing their pain point. If necessary, then do what I did. Find someone who is highly respected in your niche and use them to talk about your product or service. If you follow these steps, you can't go wrong. If you need any guidance or help, please leave your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really supports my business and helps me to continue to make free content just like this for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.